Oh, and look, we're in the African safari. What kind of animal you see? Please tell me. Elephant and giraffe. Ah, zebra, exactly. So, let me ask you another question. The baby zebra is boy or girl? Boy or girl? Wow, your face looks so confused. Come on, just a game. Give me an answer. Come on, come on. A girl with the question mark? Okay. If you think it's girl, raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey! How about boy? Boy? 1, 2, 3, 3 only? Oh, okay, thank you. Okay, so let me tell you the answer. The answer is... Actually, I don't know, sorry. Hey guys, I told you already, just a game. Come on, and let's move on. Let's see what next. Ooh, we're in the hippo pool now. But be careful, the mouth. Personality. They never brush their teeth, so that's why. Oh, the scientist is here, and the last one is my... the last one is my college. Oh no, but I think he's dangerous. Oh my, what happened to you, Skip? Oh wow, anybody can help. No. Oh, sorry, Skip, my explorer saying no to you. So sorry for that. We need to go now. Maybe next time. Maybe. Just a maybe. Okay. Bye bye. Oh, it's so sad. Oh, Ray, come on, close house now, everyone. Let's say hello to them. They are my friends. Hi. Hi. Hey. Hello. Anybody here? Hello. Are you guys alright? Really? Oh, thank you. Okay, if somebody get hurt, I will lose my job. Okay, so everybody protect yourself to protect my job. Okay. Okay. Well, lucky. Okay. So no one get hurt, then we can move on. Whew. And also, it's Boris. Yeah, we almost finished the trip. Okay, the dock is right that way. So, sit down, everyone. It's Forest! I think we're in the wrong way again.